All right, here we are on a snowy morning. Got I don't know, 10 inches of snow blowing last night, and we're in a modular home park. And what happens, you get drifting. This thing showed up like a, what you want to call it, a flame sensor, and then I started watching and I'm like, oh, snow on the roof, it's not getting enough combustion air. So we got to dig it out. See, Mike, see all that right down there, that's where it takes its air in. It's not getting enough air, so it's choking it off. So yeah, we're on the roof right now, shoveling the intake out. That's good, Mike. And now the thing should run okay. But it was showing up as a flame sensor. That's what happens when we get drifting snow over the top of these modular home furnaces. They're flues. Then we'll go down here and we'll see if she starts up. She should, though. Okay, we're in the house, starting it up. So we did this before, and it would just die after 30 seconds of running. Okay, on all these modular home parks, like that vent right there, that one's not bad, but you'll get snow drifting over the top of the actual flue and intake because it's all in one, and it'll look like a flame sensor, and flame will start up, run for 30 seconds, and then it'll turn off. But that's what we did today. We pulled the flame sensor out and it did the same thing. So the next thing was, okay, we got a lot of snow on the roof, it's not getting air, so it was buried up there. I mean, it was buried. You couldn't even see the top of the, well, you could see the top of the flue, you couldn't see the intake. So just kind of keep that in mind when you're out in these snowy days in modular homes. A lot of people are condemning boards because of it's not getting the intake air, and it looks like a flame sensor. So like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Trying to get more videos up there. See you on the next one.